Hi, I'm Beattie. I teach people things over the internet, and this is my online workshop all about how to run online workshops. When I talk about online workshops, I'm talking about all the kind of things we used to do in classrooms and meeting rooms. You know, training courses, planning meetings, design sessions, kind of things where you'd get a bunch of people around a whiteboard with probably some sticky notes and marker pens. This workshop is all about how you can run those kinds of sessions remotely over the internet. So the takeaways here are in three broad categories. First, there's understanding. What is it that makes online collaboration challenging and how can we make it easier? Second, it's about getting the best results out of the tools and systems that we already have. I still see people struggling with screen sharing, setting up microphones and webcams. So this is about how to make sure you're getting the best out of what you've already got. And third, we're going to introduce some new stuff, new tools for doing digital collaboration, online whiteboards, polls, quizzes. I'll show you what's out there. You'll also get a chance to try those out for yourself and see what they can do. Anyone who's running group working sessions online will find something here that's valuable. I created this workshop to help software experts who needed to adapt classroom training to work over the internet, but I've run it with team leads, project managers, not just software, but folks from publishing, academia, and had really positive feedback all around. You'll need a computer and an internet connection. The online training bit is kind of hard if you can't get online. And a mic and a webcam, but really that's it. If you can join a Zoom call and open a web browser, that's enough. We'll figure the rest out on the day. Check out ursatal.com/workshops. If you got any questions or you want to book a private workshop for you and your team, get in touch. It'd be great to hear from you. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Take it easy. I'll see you online.